Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Recently Dixie Plates released 2 new stamping plates and I purchased Lace 01 from Nail Stamping Queen UK, the UK and EU stockist. And in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing this stamping plate. You can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I'll be using my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo clear stamper and a scraper. Now Lace 01 is beautifully engraved. It is however a little cotton wool hungry. So I'm going to be showing you how I clean plates that do this. This is my favourite cleaning tool. It's just a pair of round nose pliers. So when I use them for cleaning plates that are like this, I just rub really hard and really fast. I then turn it over and I rub it against kitchen paper or a towel, and this removes any of the cotton wool fuzzies. I will show this at the end of this swatching section. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to be starting with the yellow tip. These big images at the bottom and at the top are amazing for larger nails, but you can also turn the nail round for different areas when stamping. I'll be using a red nail polish, and when I use plates that are engraved like this, I do prefer to use a lot more polish, and this just makes sure that everything is well covered so that you're going to get a really good swatch. But I love this swatch and the detail is amazing. For the next swatch I'll be using a pink nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. When I saw that Dixie Plates were bringing out another lace plate, I just knew it had to be in my collection. This swatch is however a little off centre, but you could use just either side, not just straight down the middle. But it's gorgeous though, I love this. For the next swatch I'll be using a blue nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. I did find that the thicker stamping polishes covered the images a lot better than the runnier ones, but I have to say the pickup from these are flawless and they're going to make some amazing manis, and I am excited to return, I have to say. For the next swatch I'm going to be using a pinky purple nail tip along with a hot pink stamping polish. Now, as I just spoke about using a thicker stamping polish, this stamping polish is a lot thicker. It's one of my thickest and it covers the images so much better. Now this swatch, I have to say, I would so wear in a mani, not only because I love pink, but it is absolutely stunning, the different tones of pink. Oh, yeah, I could so wear this. For the final swatch I'll be using a green nail tip along with a white stamping polish. This image has so much fine detail, it is absolutely mind-blowing, but I have to say it picks up so well. These large images have a lot to offer for your manis, and I will talk about that a little bit later on in photo swatches. And then here they are all together and I absolutely love these. I'll now show you how I clean plates that like cotton wool a little bit too much. So I make sure that my cotton wool is really wet with acetone, and then I rub really hard and fast. As you can see, it's pulling the cotton wool up. I just keep going in cleaning the plate. I don't worry about these cotton wool pieces that are appearing, just keep going. Once it's clean, I will then turn the plate over and I'll rub against kitchen paper. I have also used a towel, a tea towel, things like that. And for me, this removes all the fuzzies off the plate. It's really easy and I've never had any problems in doing it this way. I will say that you don't want to get them cotton wool fuzzies into your stamping polishes, because that's just a whole nother problem. So now that I've shown you that, let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created. Lace 01 is just amazing. There is 12 large style designs in the centre, and then there is 4 really large designs at the top and the bottom as well. I personally love lace designs, and I can thoroughly say that Lace 01 has not disappointed me at all. Because I love Dixie Plates DP03, I sort of knew that this would definitely a plate that I would love and would be well used by me as well. For the really large designs, I've actually taken 3 swatches from each of them, sort of across the image. This shows that they really do have a lot to offer. Now, I could have taken more, to be fair. Each of the designs have so much detail, and sometimes that can be a little troublesome for me. However, these were amazing and I was so impressed by all of these swatches. And there is quite a few that I really want to turn into manis now. I just don't have enough fingers. But really, don't let the cotton wool fuzzies put you off purchasing Lace 01. With me showing you how I work with plates like this, I'm hoping that it might help somebody out there. I personally love Dixie Plates. They're amazing to work with, and I'm actually getting quite a good collection of them, which you can actually find in my Dixie Plates playlist here on my channel. With large designs like these, if you have the teeny tiny nails, you could actually stamp a couple of nails in one go from one image. I have done this before, and the trick is to work very quickly. However, this is also the perfect stamping plate if you have really long nails or really wide nails like me. This is one of the reasons why I love Dixie Plates so much. In the description box you will find links including their Facebook group. This is where you can also find out about new releases along with other nail enthusiasts like myself. As this plate says 01, I'm actually looking forward to seeing if Dixie Plates will be bringing out an 02. For the mani, I decided to use one image but just place the swatches differently on each nail. To be honest, I've never really done a look like this before, and I'm actually unsure whether I actually like the look or not. However, I love the design though, and this has swatched so well. And I also actually used a pearl white stamping polish. All of my swatches from the live swatches and photo swatches along with my mani will be up on my Instagram page in the next few days. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Dixie Plates Lace 01. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.